Yeah.
So if you're a mom ambassador in the group, you can sign up for these programs. So I have in this box the Dr. Bronner's organic hand sanitizer. We love
that.
I know. We love Dr. Bronner's in the office. So you're gonna get to try the Dr. Bronner's organic hand sanitizer in peppermint and lavender, which
I love the spray because I know I have to like chase down my kids to put it on their hands and rub it together. Yeah, that's awesome.
This is great. You're also gonna get these little baby samples of the Dr. Bronner's lemongrass lime sugar soap. I don't want to smell this one. So
yeah,
I love lemongrass. So this is going to be super awesome. And then you're also going to get these coupons to share with your group. And last but not least, you're going to get as a gift, a mom ambassador gift, additional Dr. Bronner's lavender organic. An additional. Oh, I am like.
It's all right. It's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday. It's the middle of the week.
Yeah.
You're gonna get an additional Dr. Bronner's lavender organic hand sanitizer and this really nice hemp rose bar soap.
Their packaging too.
I know, it's so pretty.
It's beautiful.
You can kind of smell it. It smells.
Does it smell like Christmas?
No, it smells like a rose.
Oh,
it smells like a rose. It's like
I thought it was peppermint.
No, peppermint is in the hand sanitizer.
Oh, okay. Clearly it's Wednesday for both of us.
Yeah, seriously. But yeah, that's I'm really excited for this program.
Yeah,
it's really awesome. What do you have on your site?
So, we love our CBD oil here at Mom's Meat. So, a program that just launched is this Plus CBD program, which it comes in this very pretty box.
I love the packaging. I love the box.
And you get a ton with this program. So as Amanda mentioned, it's a group program, so you can apply now to be selected. You get a very pretty recycled tote bag,
nice.
Which, you gotta love a good tote bag.
Absolutely.
And for the group sampling, you will get these little teeny tiny bombs for your group to try, but it goes a long way. I'll tell you.
Does.
I love these. Actually, a lot of our moms probably got this at Summit this past weekend. So it's a great chance to try it out and give it out to your mom friends.
One of my favorite products.
You'll also get some coupons with your group, and then some brochures really talking about CBD oil, all the topical information. And then as a gift, I got so excited when I saw this. You get a roll-on,
oh my gosh,
and then a full-size bomb. And I've had mine. I've had this size. It still is going strong after a year of having it.
Yeah, I've had mine for a year too. I've had mine for a year. It's amazing, and I've been dying to try the roll-on. We weren't able to try it at Summit, but I've heard it's incredible.
Yeah, their stuff is awesome. So yeah, apply. Be sure to check out momsmeat.com for these great programs. And it's group sampling, so you all can apply for that.
Yeah. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining us.